Who is your hero? This question is, who is your hero? I think it shifted a lot. Like, as a kid, they say like around age 5, age 6, age 7, you kind of pick someone and then mirror their behavioral style, their personality. And my sister's ex-husband, so not somebody who's part of the family anymore. I just remember him being like really happy and like fun to be around, playful, athletic, charismatic. And so those were things that I feel like I emulated. But then, as I got older, things shifted, and I started, I'm sure at some point, there was a Power Ranger that was my hero. When you're a kid and you're watching Power Rangers, and then you go kick your sister, and then your parents have to discipline you, and all of the other things that I got into as I got older. Most recently, man, maybe in college, my biggest influence was Elliot Hulse. He was the first YouTuber that I watched that was producing personal development content, disguised as him answering questions for people. And then from Elliot, after college, it probably shifted again. And I remember having a lot of different mentors, but my most recent ones now, as I'm thinking of it, would be guys like Jordan Peterson, who I just think have amazing insights, who are articulate and able to describe problems and explain things in such a way that they're undeniable, that truths that we already know, but just bringing them to light and really articulating both sides of politics, both sides of an argument, both sides of why people think the way that they do. And then maybe like in the last few months, Dr. Joe Dispenza, I've been listening to a lot of his lectures, watching a lot of his stuff on meditation and that sort of thing. And that's someone that I'm just starting to get into. I still am still like kind of on the edges of it. But I think my heroes have changed over time. And so it just happens to be whatever it is I'm obsessed with in the last year is who my hero is.